We're finally out here on the trail. It's a little dirty today. Guys wanted to head out a little early this morning, and I tried to have the Jeep nice and clean for you guys, but I already got a lot of mud in it, but hey, that's what the Jeep's for. So we've got the grab bar right here, and then we've got a short spacer, and we also have a long spacer. So the short spacer is actually going to go up closest to here, and remember, you want to make sure that you've already got your factory bolts removed if you haven't done so already. Just trying to speed up the installation here a little bit. So we're going to put that in here, and remember, you need to have access to the bolt this way, so these are all going to go in one way. And I just want to get this kind of started. Just enough for it to catch. So you can see I just got just enough to get started. And we'll see if we can get this one in there or not. May not be able to, but we'll try. So you go back in the hole there. Oh, just about dropped it again. This one is a little bit trickier to get started, but once you get it going, you'll be just about done already. I'm going to try to see if I've got that going or not. We'll start each of them just a little bit at a time. Sometimes I'll put maybe my hand right here just so I don't keep hitting my windshield. You can see how it's contoured on the angle, so it's easier to grab onto it, because you want to grab strong. Again, just kind of go back and forth. There we go. Just about got it. Like I said, they've got these bolts, so they've got to be nice and tight, because you're doing this right to the frame, the support frame. A bit more. You can see just how strong that is. That's moving the whole vehicle as well as myself. So that is how you do the installation for the front. All right, so now we're moving here to the back. Right here where this piece of plastic is actually part of your speaker bar that goes over the back. So you'll need to remove two of those, and that just uses a 10mm socket. And you don't have to worry, there's 4 more holding it in place, so it's not going to fall on you or anything. And I am on a trail, so I'm trying to go as fast as I can just to show you how fast and easy this is to do an install on the trail if you had to. That's why you always see people carry extra stuff with them. Simple, quick fixes. Know your rig, know how to fix, know where everything is, makes stuff a lot quicker. And I always recommend having a good socket set with you. A couple of Allen sockets as well, makes the job go a lot faster. So now that I've got these out, this would be kind of what you're looking at taking out from the factory. So this is what the back of the bar looks like. And again, the handle is going to go up front. So it's going to go right in those recessed spots right there, and you got a handle. But I don't know if we can get in here or not, but I want to show you just how well and quality that made that is. All the different mount points and stuff on there in the sockets. Go ahead and put that right in here. Again, just kind of get it started. And it won't take much. So see, it's already held in for you. Take the other one. And I'll be using a 5mm Allen socket for this one. Like I said, everything in here behind me is a running trail. So they're being nice and going around me. So I can do this install for you guys and gals. I'm just gonna get that nice and tight. So now you have a solid grab bar to get onto. You can see I can move the whole vehicle. So I'm 6'1", so it's a little bit harder to get into, but now I have a handle here I can get into. Again, I'm moving the whole vehicle. Just grab it in here, and you're good to go. So now with this installation complete, got the grab bar right here. Just pull yourself in. You can see that the whole vehicle will move when I pull on this. It is solid. So again, GraBarsUSA.com is where to pick these up. Come in all different colors as well. You got your black here, and you got all different colored handles. They also sell handles now in leather as well. So a lot of different options for those that want to kind of spruce up the inside of their vehicle, but as well as if you have something really strong, grab strong to get onto, GraBars USA. Again. Ooh.